Hello. Xin chào.
Dạ, chào con.
Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good evening, dear. My name is Teacher Bem. What is your name?
My name is Nguyễn Lạc Khánh.
Oh, nice to meet you. And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Oh, 9 years old. Okay, my dear, let's fill this up. I have here a picture. Tandaran. Okay. Can you help, teacher? Can you write your name here? My name is...
My name is Nguyễn Lạc Khánh.
Okay. Okay, let's put it here. Is this one? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Kan. And what other names do you have? Do you have an English name? Yes or no? Just Kan?
No.
Okay. Okay, my dear, it's okay. And you are 9 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what are your hobbies? Do you like to play basketball? Or do you like to play football? Or do you like to eat? What are your hobbies?
I like rice.
Oh, okay. What do you like to play? Do you like to play balls?
Yes.
Okay, so let's put it here. I like to play balls. Okay. And, okay, my dear, can you help, teacher? Can you read this one? I like to learn. I like to learn here. Okay, my dear. Okay, let's translate this one. Okay. Here we go. Oh no, let's wait for teacher. Okay. Okay, my dear. Do you like to learn English? Because... Okay, let's add this up again. No, it's Kan. And you are 9 years old. And you like to play balls. And do you like to make new friends? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I like to make new friends. Okay, my dear, let's read this up. My name is Kan.
My name is Khánh.
Okay, next.
I am 9 years old.
Very good. Next.
I like to play ball.
Very good. And the last one.
I like to make new friends.
Yay! Okay, very good, my dear. Okay, good job. Okay, that's great. You are a very good reader. Okay. So let teacher share this one. And let's play a game. Oh, for this, let's play a game first. Okay. Are we? Okay, here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we will learn about, okay, my dear?
What's arch? We
We're
will
moving.
are moving.
Okay, we are moving. Now we will learn movement. Okay, let's play. Let's move. Okay, let's learn that tonight. Okay, next. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, first word.
Neck.
Okay, again, skate.
Step.
Okay, skate.
Step.
Okay, next word.
Jump.
Yes, jump. Okay, can you jump, my dear? Jump, jump. Okay, next.
Skip.
Yes, very good. Skip and skip. Okay, next.
Hop.
Okay, very good. Hop. The next one. Oh, what's this?
Climb.
Yes, climb. Very good. Climb. The next one.
Dance.
Yes, dance. Very good. And the last one.
Run.
Yes. Okay, run can run very fast. Okay, very good. Now let's go here. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's have this one. Let's learn. Let's find some words that we just read a while ago. Okay, here we go. Teacher will share it. And there you are. Oh no, here. Oh no, sorry. Okay, here it is. Okay, my dear, here. Okay, let's answer this one. Okay, my dear, let's read.
We are the children.
Very good. Where are these children?
Where are the children?
Very good. And the answer, where are these children?
Where are the children?
Okay, they are
in the playground.
very good. They are in a playground. Okay, next question. Oh, how many children can you
Children, can
see?
you see?
Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. How many children can you see?
10 children.
Oh, okay. Let us see if there are 10 children. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, 9 only. Okay, again, let's count, my dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and
9.
9. Very good. Okay. Next question. Can you see? Okay, my dear, let's read this up. Can you see any
1.
grown-ups too? Okay, again, please.
Can you see any grown up too?
Okay. Is there a grown-up too? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see. There's a grown-up here. Yes, very good. Okay, this is their teacher, a grown-up. Okay, correct. Very good, my dear. Okay, next. Okay, this one. Oh, no. Are there
any animals in the playground?
Oh, can you see any animals in the playground?
The sheep.
Yes. What else?
And dog.
Yes. Okay. But there's one more.
A bird.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Let's check. Okay. Very good. Yes. A bird. Here's the bird. A dog. Oh, where's the dog? Can you draw a circle, my dear? Where's the dog? Okay, okay. Teacher will help you. Here's the dog. Okay. And where's the sheep? Okay. Can you help, teacher? Okay. I will help you. Here's the sheep. Yay! Okay, good job. Very good, my dear. You found them all. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, what are the names of the children? Who are they? Okay, let's have an example. Okay. Now we will listen. And you have, okay, my dear, let's read this one.
Now listen and draw
Line
between and the children and
their names.
the name.
Okay, like this one. Okay, this is Jack. Oh, the boy that is jumping off the box. Okay, now let's listen and you draw lines to their names. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's listen.
1A. Watch us. We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Anne's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Anne? Can you? Can you?
Yes, I can.
Sue's skating now. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground.
By the way, my dear, can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Let's listen.
Can you see Sue? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run. We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay, my dear, did you hear their names? Okay, we have an example here. Who is this boy jumping off the box? What's his name? This one. Who is this?
Jack.
Okay, you can say, he is Jack.
He is Jack.
Very good. Okay. How about this girl? Who is this? What's her name? She is...
He is Annie.
Very good. Okay. How about this girl? What's her name?
Name Sue.
Yes, very good. Her name is Sue. Okay. How about this boy dancing? What's his name? Okay, teacher will help you, my dear. Okay. Let's put their names here. Oh, so what's his name?
Dan.
Again, he is...
He is Dan.
Very good. How about this girl?
Sam. She is Sam.
Yes, very good. Okay, who's next? Let us see. Oh, how about this little boy?
He is bad.
Yes, Pat. Pat is climbing up the tree. Okay, and there's one more.
He is Tom.
Okay, and the two girls. They are
They are May and G.
Yes, good job. Okay, very good. Now, teacher will give you a gift for answering correctly. I have here fish. Do you like fish? Okay, I have here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Okay. Oh no, the background. Okay, my dear, here. I have here. Oh no, here. I have here 3 fish for you. Oh no, where? Okay. I have 3 fish for you. I have a gift for you. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, my dear, now let's go to the next one. Let's play a game. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, here. Oh no. Okay, get it. Okay. Now we have to look for the words and you have to put lines under them. Okay, my dear? Can you find the word skate? Skate. Okay, my dear, you have to draw line under the word.
Bad.
Okay. Okay, teacher will help you. For example, here. Skate. Okay, it's your turn. How about dance? Dance. Okay, my dear, can you use your pen?
D-I-N-C-E.
Okay, okay, you spell it correctly. Very good. Okay, teacher will put a line here. Very good. Good job. How about, walk? Where is,
W-I-L-K.
yes, W, A, L, and K. Very good. How about jump? Jump.
J-U-M-P.
Yes, okay. Let's put a line here. Very good. You spelled it correctly. How about skip? Skip.
S-I-E. P.
Yes, okay. S-K-I-P. Okay, very good. How about run? Run.
R-U-N.
Okay, here. How about hop? Hop.
S-O-P.
Yes, okay, very good. You found them. Okay, now let's add up another. Oh no, the background. Okay, teacher will add another fish in your fish bowl. Okay, can you see it? Oh no, the background.
Oh,
Yes, another fish and one more fish. Okay. Oops.
Five.
Yes, so many fish for you.
5 feet.
Yes, this is clownfish. Clownfish. And the fish is swimming. They are moving. Okay, very good. Okay, my dear, let's continue. And we have here another one. Okay, yes, correct. Jump, hop, run, skip, and dance. Very good. Perfect score. How about this one? What is this word? Okay, teacher will help you. First letter is
L.
okay, my dear, do you know what's this word? Next letter is L.
I.
Okay, what's the next letter? Yes, I. What's next?
N.
Oh, very good. Okay, B. And what's next? Okay, teacher will help you. I.
I.
What is it, my dear?
K.
Okay, no. What's this? Letter N. Okay, and the last letter is letter G. Okay, letter G. Okay, what's the word? Climb.
Big.
Okay, climbing. Climbing up the tree. Climbing up the tree. Okay, very good. Okay, my dear, you're so smart. You are so good. You're good in reading. Very good. Okay, you can read words well. And you also understand the lesson. Okay, I will translate this, my dear, so that you can get it. Okay. Where's my translation? Okay. Where is it? Okay, here we go. Oh no. Okay, my dear, can you see this one? Okay, you read. You can read English. Okay, you can read English words well. Okay, very good. And you can also, okay, you understood the lesson. Okay, very good. And you were able to answer questions.
Boy.
Very good. Okay, my dear, you did great tonight. You are a smart boy. Okay. And you just have to improve how you build your sentences and learn more vocabulary. Okay? Did you enjoy our lesson tonight?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to see teacher again?
Yes.
Okay. And I hope that we will have more classes together soon. Okay? You are a very good student. Keep it up and keep growing. Okay, my dear, that's all for tonight and happy evening. Bye-bye.
Hi, teacher.
Bye. Happy evening.